In a peaceful town in Egypt lived a young man named Omar. Since childhood, he was known for asking deep, difficult questions. Why do people suffer? Why are some prayers answered and others not? If Allah is merciful, why do bad things happen? Omar attended every Islamic lecture he could find, read piles of books, and spent hours scrolling through online debates. But the more he searched, the more lost he felt. His head was full of information, yet his heart remained empty. His uncle, Yusuf, wasn't a scholar. He didn't quote many hadiths or books, but he lived a life of peace, grounded in prayer, simplicity, and quiet sincerity. One evening, overwhelmed and frustrated, Omar sat down and said, "Uncle, I've read so much. I know the verses. I know the hadiths. But I'm still confused. I want peace, but my mind won't stop spinning." Uncle Yusuf didn't answer immediately. Instead, he stood up, fetched 2 glasses, and filled one with water. He dropped a spoon in and stirred it rapidly. The water turned murky. "Look, Omar," he said, "this is your mind, constantly stirring. Even if the truth is there, you can't see it through the noise." Then he placed the glass on the table. Slowly, the water settled, becoming still and clear. He smiled gently and said, "Sometimes you don't need more answers. You need stillness. Quiet the noise and let faith settle." Omar sat in silence. For the first time in a long time, he didn't analyze, argue, or try to solve. He just breathed. From that day on, he didn't stop learning, but he began listening. He prayed with more presence. He spoke less and reflected more. The confusion didn't disappear overnight, but slowly it faded, not because he found every answer, but because he made space for Allah to guide his heart. Moral: in Islam, understanding doesn't come only from gaining more knowledge. It comes from a heart that is calm, humble, and open. Empty your mind from the noise so that faith has room to enter.
If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more meaningful stories and life lessons.